Hey guys, so today we are going to see how we can install Docker for Windows. The first step would be to go to any browser that you have. I would be going to Chrome and search install Docker on Windows. Then we will go and click on this first link and click on download from Docker Hub. Then we'll click on this get Docker and the download has started. It will take some time because it's a big software, 916 MB. Okay, so as we can see now, the installation has succeeded. Next, we can check here, or we can open our PowerShell and type docker double hyphen version. So here we can get that we have a Docker version of 19.03.8 installed. So this verifies our Docker installation and our process to install Docker is completed. Thank you all.